Hey, good morning. Good morning of November 2nd, 2024. We are on Grassi Trail. Started off at around 8:50. The time right now is about 9:15, so almost a little bit over half an hour. The trail is pretty decent compared to this time of the year. It's dry. There had been some icy patches, but not considerable. And I have Wen and Cindy with me today. We'll be heading rather clockwise. We won't be doing the loop. This was the first wooden bridge that we just crossed. So we won't be doing the entire loop. We'll just do we'll just go clockwise and come back the same way. This is my third visit to the summit. The sky is a bit overcast. Maybe there are some pouring at around 3 or 4, but I think we'll be back by that time. So let's see how it goes. This is the second bridge we are standing on at the moment, and if I understand this correct, this is basically the junction where the both ends of the loop meet. So if you want to go clockwise, then you have to go right, either by this creek bed up from here or from here. And if you are going clockwise, just like we are going, then you'll follow this trail, which is going on the left from here. Yeah, the way where Wen is. And counterclockwise, I see that, yeah, there are, looks like a visible trail here. Yep. So we are about 4.3k into the hike, and still climbing up. The trail has narrowed considerably from this section, and it's just like we're barely having like a foot place to put our feet on. So, and then this is like on the slope side of the hill as well. So I didn't put on my spikes yet, even though there had been some sketchy sections, but I survived using the poles. But I'm sure that on the way down I would definitely put on my spikes. So still moving up. I think that we are getting close to that bend where the views open up on that side of the trail. So let's see. We are at the last section. A few more meters of climb, and then we'll be at the summit. Look at the views here. Three Sisters. Big Sister is kind of covered in clouds, but Middle and Little they're a little bit visible. And yeah, Gwen and Cindy climbing up. So let's go up for this last little section. Let's see what's up there for us. There was a group ahead of us. I'm not sure if that group would still be up there, or would they be doing the loop and might have already crossed on the other side. And you can see the city of Canmore from here. Grotto has sunshine on its peak. Wow, quite a view. Okay, so gotta be a bit careful here. Yep. And here we are. What? Yep. Quite a place to be in this snowfall. Look at the background. Wow. Wonderful.